Hey everyone, welcome back to SwiftUI Codes. Today, we're diving into one of SwiftUI's most powerful tools, ForEach. Whether you're creating dynamic lists, grids, or custom views, ForEach is your go-to tool for making reusable and dynamic content. Let's jump into it and see how ForEach can make our code more efficient and flexible. We'll start with a basic example of how ForEach works. Think of ForEach like a loop that helps us create multiple views based on data. It's especially useful when we want to dynamically generate views based on an array or range of data. Here, we have a VStack that holds a ForEach loop. Inside the loop, we're generating 5 text items labeled item 0 through item 4. The ForEach uses a range of numbers to define how many times it repeats. Each view created here is given a bit of padding, a light blue background, and a rounded corner effect. Now, let's use ForEach with an array of data. This is where ForEach really shines, because it lets us loop through a custom array and create views based on real data. In this example, we have an array of fruit names. ForEach takes each item in this array and creates a text view for it. The ID:self part is essential when using an array of strings, as it tells SwiftUI that each item in this array is uniquely identified by its own value. Next, let's see how ForEach works with custom data structures. Imagine we're working with a list of items that have names and images. We'll create a custom view that displays each item in a nicely designed card. And there you have it. ForEach is incredibly versatile and can be used in so many ways, from looping through ranges to creating custom views with data models. I hope this tutorial helps you use ForEach more effectively in your SwiftUI projects. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment with any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.